Okay, everybody, how you doing today? We got a little bit of a mail call, so let's get to it and see what we ended up with. This here is from Yankee Dabbler, I believe. So let's see what we got in the box. Boy, oh boy, they sure used a big box just to send me a small box of steel wheels. Got me 100 count of metal wheels. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, they sent some mail, some coaster. They sent me some stickers. And they sent me some hot sauce. Okay. Well, there you go. Coaster, some stickers, bag of hot sauce, and we got a shirt. Let's open it up and see how it looks. What did we end up with here? Well, there you go. Got a new shirt. Well, cool deal. Well, let's go. I got a caboose to put some steel wheels on. So let's go put some metal wheels on this thing. Well, alright, we got some metal wheels installed and they spin flawlessly. So let's go put it on the track and run it. Well, here you go. We have it hooked up in the back, double caboose style. Let's run it a little bit